Hey, baby, the MREs came.
Great.
Yay!
Ready? Let's do this. Woohoo!
Yeah!
Boom! Big bada boom!
What is boom, big on a boom? All right, we got a case of 12 here. We're just going to read off the meal selections. Now, they may vary in the box that you get, but here's what we got on ours today. We got pizza sliced cheese,
Beef strips and savory tomato-based sauce.
spaghetti with beef and sauce,
Chimichanga.
chimichanga? What? Chicken what?
No, chicken chunks, white cooked.
All right, chicken, egg noodles, and vegetables in sauce.
Okay, chili and macaroni.
Elbow macaroni in tomato sauce.
Beef shredded in barbecue sauce.
Chili with beans.
That's going to be a tough night. Meatballs and marinara sauce.
Beef stew.
Ooh, that'd be good for a rainy day. And beef taco filling.
Cool. Okay, we're going to open up the pizza slice for you. Peelable seal. There you go. That's so easy. Dump. Cashews, jalapeno flavor.
Those are for after the pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have cheese pizza with sauce.
Chunky peanut butter.
Ooh, an energy bar.
Applesauce.
Yum, I like sauce. Oh, this is the bag where you put the hot beverage.
This is your heating pack, and so you have 4 elements here that you can use. I believe you just add water. Yeah, you put your
it
pizza
in this bag, then you put it in here. Okay, that's how that works. Here we have vegetable
crackers.
Okay, and then we have
This is your bag of goodies. We're going to go over them one at a time. This is your toilet paper.
sugar back.
Oh, look, a moist towelette. That's always good.
Yeah, clean up all the mess. Crushed red peppers for your pizza.
Bill's Brew freeze-dried coffee.
Nice. Non-dairy coffee creamer.
Chiclets.
And we have 0-calorie sweetener.
Last but not least, you got some iodized salt.
And a spoon. Ta-da!
There you go.
Wow, that's a lot for one pack.
These are perfect for any emergency, camping, hunting, or prepping. So stock up now. Click the link below. You'll be glad you did.
Y listo.